Okay, let's get started. She's big. Wow, it's really green. She's really, really green. It's like a little stand. The box with the plastic on. And then it tells you the stuff you get all in Korean. Why is it like this? It feels like it should go all the way in. Whoa, look at it. That looks cool. It's like neatly placed in there. That's cool. There's a weird smell coming from it. Ooh, poster. Wow. I don't know if you can see it if I open it. So this is the postcard calendar set. I guess you fold this way? No, this way? Yes. It's just like this. Yongbin for January. Wow. Glasses! Cute! Oh, this is cute. This is actually really, really cute. I've been holding that one. This is the DVD. Pretty. The photo book. Concept photo book. It's really cute. Feels like a real book. It's like really thick. The color is so cute. I'm just gonna flip through it really quickly. First blooming time. I can't flip it. Wow. Can't see down. Oh, he's there. All the flowers are so cute. Wow. Wow. I don't know why this picture reminds me of like Haru. The Extraordinary You. I don't know if it's because like the door. It looks like another alternate universe. Wow, dude, he looks hella pimp daddy. Huite. Ooh. That's my baby boy. Second blooming. Red. It's so hard to open this book. she slides. The glasses, bitch. That's a look. Blue and yellow. Damn. IKEA moment, man. Look at this close-up of his ear. His tiny little ear. He's so cute. Bye. Oh. Wait, I think I skipped a page. Oh. This almost looks like a family picture, and Jaesung's the parents, and then the rest of them are kids. Cute. And then the graphic. Dude, this graphic is so like simple, but it's so cute. The book. The one from last year, I still haven't used it. Like, I can't bring myself to use these things. They're so pretty. Blooming time. Name, date of birth, mobile, email, address. Why would you put all your information? Whatever. Little calendar. January. Fantasy birthday. Chinese birthday. Cute. I love having a birthday in the same month as Chinese. And then February. Yu Taeyang's birthday. March. These are just like the month. Then we have Hyang's birthday. Then we have Zuho, Insung, and Daewon's birthday. And Jaehoon's and Roman's birthday. September, October, debut. November with Yongbin's birthday. December. Cute. Then we have this January. I guess because it starts on a Friday. Then little notes. This is cute. I like this layout. I should use it since I have two. They wrote notes. If I try to read it, it's gonna take too long. Oh my god, Chani. Where's Yu Taeyang? Oh, his, I got really confused. I was like, it's the last page. But I didn't look at the numbers. More pictures. Then we have Hyung's message. Skip. More pictures. Then we have Zuho's message. And then we have In-Sung's. Then Daewon. Then we have Rowan's message. Then we have Jaehoon's. There it is. More pictures. Nobody's in September. October debut. A whole bunch of their messages. More pictures. Yongbin's message. Johnny's the last picture. That's so cute. And then credits. Let's look at the calendar. Something in the back B. Whoop. Just gonna quickly flip through them. Yo, this picture. Yo, this picture. Why does this look scary? His eyes. Bruh. Him daddy. Why can't I flip it? What the hell? What the hell? Lutea? What the? Ta-da! Okay. So this is the message card. These are the AR cards. These are the Polaroid cards. These are the selfie ones, and these are the smelling ones. I got James. Let's look at the message card first. This is a low. And the message is on the back. I'll save this for last so we can do the AR thing. I want to open this one. Whoa! The smell that just came out of the... It's really strong. Yongbin smells like soap. Wait, they both smell the same. No, Yongbin smells a little stronger. I think because they've been in the same bag. I'm really confused. They smell like soap though. So I opened the second box for the smell thing. I got Daewon and Zuho. And they all smell the same, like soap. It's like very scented soap. I feel like it's just a very clean smell. If it's like flower smell, I can't tell. It might be lavender, but I'm not good at smells. So this Polaroid pictures. These Polaroids feel so boyfriendy for some reason. I don't know why. So they all had the same bag, but just like with their names. Why are they so sticky? They're for some reason really sticky. They like to stick to each other. Just like in real life. That's cute. Why is his hair messy? It's so cute. AR photo card time. Where's James? Why do these look so formal, especially with like no background images? No background. I don't know how to explain. These look like headshots, like... So basically this card, this number is a number you enter into the downloads and redeem the thing, and that's what I already did.
2021년엔 우리 판타지 하고 싶은 거 다 해. 모든 일이 잘 풀리길 바랄게요.
I also saw on Twitter that like if you put them together, they do stuff. But I'm just gonna do one at a time first.
판타지 안녕. 여러분들께 드릴 선물이 세 가지가 있는데요. 자, 첫 번째 그냥 하트. 자, 두 번째 하트가 이렇게 많나요? 그럼 큰 하트가 되겠죠? 여기까지 두 번째였고요. 마지막 세 번째. 자, 하트.
Ew.
판타지 여러분, 2021년에 제 사랑 듬뿍 받고 행복하세요.
Bye, so cute. Bruh.
여러분, 저 다원이가 여러분이 행복한 기운이 나실 수 있게 응원하겠습니다. 화이팅! 판타지 여러분, 2021년 건강하고 행복한 한 해가 되시기를 진심으로 기도하겠습니다. 그리고 저희 SF9과 같이 좋은 추억 많이 만들어요.
새해 복 많이 받으세요. 판타지. 네, 2021년에는 좋은 것만 보고 행복한 일들만 가득하시길 바라겠습니다.
올해 판타지가 해야 할 세 가지 제가 정리해 드릴게요. 첫째는 건강하기, 둘째는 행복하기, 셋째는 사랑하기. 판타지 새해 복 많이 받으세요. 네, 안녕하세요 판타지 여러분. 올해는 저희가 더 자주 만날 수 있었으면 좋겠어요. 새해 복 많이 받으세요. 네 여러분, 올해는 더 좋은 일만 있을 겁니다. 저 찬이가 항상 응원하겠습니다. 화이팅!
I fucking love you. Alright, let's see who interacts with who.
하나, 둘, 셋. 하나, 둘, 셋.
가위바위보. 아이고. 가위바위보, 가위바위보, 가위바위보. 아. 판타지, 저희 보여요? SF9 꽃이 피었습니다. 네, 여러분 판타지가 더 좋은 일만 있을 겁니다.
Nope. Okay, I'm done. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Bye.